Oh.
Do it again.
What?
Do it again. Give him a piece of Mexican coffee.
I put it on the bird. I put it on the bird.
Which bird? Oh.
This bird is gonna get inside.
What? Oh, some fat kid.
That's like a pigeon lady.
Just a peeper. Yeah. You're crazy. Then you're gonna be that little old lady that brings a big huge loaf of bread with you to the park. What's up? He's getting in your business again.
Dude, you want to pass on the pool? I'll kick you across the border.
Camera. I'll totally put it on YouTube.
Did I hit a bird?
Yeah, you hit a bird.
And I'm one of these. Shoot.
Make up your mind, woman.
Ah, what did you get?
Then it touched you again, right?
Yes.
You're a pedophile. See, everyone left because of you.
I can't eat off of this food anymore.
You can't.
I have to get back in the ice cream.
Like, forget this ice cream.
This is Mexican, but it's good too.